Tired of choppy gameplay and wondering if you can actually play Fortnite on your MacBook Air? Let's optimize your settings and get you building like a pro. First, head over to the Epic Games website. You can simply Google Epic Games or type in the address directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Epic Games website, look for the download button in the top right corner. Clicking this will begin the download of the Epic Games launcher. After the download is complete, find the DMG file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the DMG file to begin the installation process by opening the installer window. In the installation window, drag the Epic Games launcher icon to the Applications folder icon. This will install the launcher on your MacBook Air, after which you will need to wait to verify before it opens. Open the Epic Games launcher and log in with your account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Fortnite icon in the store. Click on the Fortnite icon and then click Install. Fortnite is a large game, so the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once installed, launch Fortnite. Go into the settings menu and lower your graphics settings to low or medium to ensure smooth gameplay on your MacBook Air. Reduce the resolution and disable unnecessary visual effects. You can adjust these accordingly to your preference. And that's it. You're now ready to play Fortnite on your MacBook Air. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.